I would first like to start with saying justice for Phumzile. Phumzile went to the police station. After getting to the police station, told the police station of her abusive domestic situation, and they took her back to her abuser. I understand. That's the kind of society that you live in. The highest violence per capita outside of a war zone, the place you call your country. But if we could at least be responsible enough as individuals to end rape, just let's say we have the power to end rape. I'm also uninfluential. I'm also a nobody. 16 years of failure just to reach for a dream. You understand? But I know where I want to live. I was raised by women, man. So it doesn't resonate with me when a woman doesn't feel independent in herself. You know, women think that the South African men will propose to every single one of you. We do not. But thing called drink. I understand, just for helping her apage dressing suit inside the house. So if we like you, we show you. We South African, we propose to everybody, but we don't have to sleep with everybody. We don't have to make it a point. When I record your friends, you know. My hamstring is acting up. I'm getting old. Athletes retire when they get to my age. As a grown South African man, don't rob yourself of being a sportsman and not have a woman who's a sportswoman. I understand that your love language is cardio. Don't be shy about it. You set the standard, live up to it.